Thank you so much for signing up for my free gift. So this is the basic standard bagua map that you will find anytime you Google feng shui and bagua on Google, because north is one of the most important directions for the Chinese culture, because it does have to deal with career and jobs and introspection and water and money are very much closely linked. They put north at the very bottom. In the rest of the world, we pretty much have north up here, but that's why. So the way to use this, if your house is facing north, that's very easy. You just take this here, and let's say your front door is over here. You line this row, this bottom row, up to your front door. Now, in the example that of the compass reading that I took from my phone, it was a southeast direction. So then you'd go and you'd look for the title where it says southeast, and you then would take this same bottom row and line that up to the front of your house, to where your front door is. Now, if your door faces any of the other directions, you would look for that particular direction on the bagua map that I have provided here. I will caution you, using your phone as the compass may give you some pretty wacky readings. In fact, the picture that I took that I have shown as the example, that was in front of my house. And I know for a fact that my house faces 88 degrees east because I used my big low-pan compass and a camping compass. My phone compass, not so accurate. So take that with a grain of salt. But it does work to serve the purpose I needed to show you how to do that. So this bottom row, no matter what other maps you're using, that lines up with the front door. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, I would be delighted to do my best to answer them. Thank you so much.